What's up, everybody? Guess who's back? And y'all know I just got them new windows put in, right? And I had these blinds cut. And I had the blinds for a while, but I didn't want to put them in without the new windows. So I have the windows up, so I'm just dry fitting them. We got to get them up. I see they got fingerprints on here. I probably got to... I'm just making sure they fit. We got these little clips down here. You want to mark this stuff if you can. You want to mark it so you can know where they going, where they fitting at. Where's my pencil? Yeah, you definitely want to mark them. You're going right up here to them. We're going to the tip top with it. Well, I already have a mark, so we good. I just want I almost got started without you. I did get started without you. I'm always telling y'all to wear your safety glasses. I definitely need them right now. 100% definitely. What are these little ones for? I ain't even read the directions. I thought I remembered from installing these on the other windows, but I see I done forgot. I need my extension. This ain't gonna work. Come on, man. Y'all supposed to be staying with me. We over here rocking and rolling. And y'all done went off. That ain't part of the game plan. That is not part of the plan. We gonna get it, y'all. We gonna definitely get it. It ain't a doubt in my mind we gonna get it. Let me line him up. It ain't a doubt in my mind we gonna get it, cause we definitely gonna get it. That one really didn't grab into nothing. That's why you didn't hear it locked down. You always want to put this in the middle. And you put this in the middle because when you're pulling down on the stuff, you need that extra brace. So let me make sure this is gonna be in a good place. I'm just eyeballing mine. I'm pretty good with it. I just opened it. I seen a spider trying to set up shop. Little spider was trying to set up shop on my new windows. Where we at? Where we at? Where we at? Damn, come on, y'all. Something ain't. Something ain't registering. Spin it. Come on, man. I just ain't locking in there, so let's go. Spin it. See it. We got him up there, y'all. Easy work. I think I put them in backwards. I think I got them backwards. That's the right way. Cause this needs something to spin on. There we go. Blinds complete. Let me vacuum this off. We done. I'm gonna have to come back and touch this up by sanding it down because I seen where it was previously before. This is a pre-owned home, so sanding this down. I might have to sand this. Take these blinds back down, sand this down some more, mud it, get it nice and smooth up there and stuff like it's supposed to be. I'm gonna have to paint this whole section of wall. They got fingerprints on here, and I pointed that out to them in another bedroom, and they cleaned it up, but they didn't go look at the other windows. So, but what do y'all think? Never miss an opportunity to keep moving forward. Hey man, like, comment, share, subscribe, hang out with me as we bring this house back to life. We got the blinds in. We got one more set of blinds to get in. I mean, not one more set, just one more in the other bedroom. We just gonna keep chugging along like the little engine that could. And I'll holler back.